Did you know that Nevada has one of the highest crime rates in the entire United States? While the state is famous for its glitzy casinos and wild nightlife, there's a much darker side lurking beneath all that neon. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into America's most sinful state, Nevada. Known for its excess and vice, there's a lot more to this state than meets the eye. So, buckle up as we explore some of the unsettling truths about what really goes on in the Silver State. Alright, let's get real for a minute. Nevada has earned its reputation as a sinful state. And it's not just because of the glitzy lights and slot machines. This image impacts not only tourism, but also the everyday lives of the residents. Many people move to Nevada looking for a fresh start or to chase their dreams, but they quickly find themselves in a struggle against addiction, crime, and a general sense of hopelessness. The pressure of living in a place that's synonymous with indulgence can lead to a darker reality for many. It's a challenge that the state grapples with, trying to balance its appeal as a tourist hotspot while addressing the serious issues that plague its communities. Now, let's dig a little deeper into some of the specific challenges Nevada faces. First up, gambling addiction. It's no secret that Nevada is the gambling capital of the world, and while it brings in big bucks, it also leads to countless individuals falling into the trap of addiction. This isn't just a personal issue. It affects families, friendships, and even local economies. But it doesn't stop there. Human trafficking is another dark cloud hanging over Nevada, particularly in Las Vegas. The allure of the city attracts not just tourists, but also criminal networks looking to exploit vulnerable individuals. And let's not forget the impact of mass tourism on local communities. While tourists flock to the Strip, many residents are left to deal with the consequences, like rising costs of living and a lack of support for local businesses. It's a tangled web of problems that's hard to untangle. So here's something that might really hit home. According to a recent report, 1 in 5 adults in Nevada struggles with some form of addiction. That's staggering. This statistic isn't just a number. It represents real lives and real families impacted by the darker side of this supposedly glamorous state. When you think about it, this isn't just a statistic. It's a call to action for all of us to recognize that behind the bright lights, there's a crisis that needs to be addressed. To wrap things up, we've uncovered some harsh realities about Nevada's dark side. From gambling addiction to human trafficking and the struggles of local communities, it's clear that the state's reputation for sin comes with a heavy price. It's essential to reflect on what this means for the people who call Nevada home and what changes need to be made to improve their lives. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Nevada's reputation? Do you believe it's deserved, or is it more complex than that? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning about social issues in other states, don't forget to check out our next video. See you next time.